Good morning, everyone. This is a new video in our series of places visited by Apostle Paul during his missionary journeys. Today we are in Antalya, South Turkey, a place which is mentioned in Acts 14 verses 25-26. We know that Paul stopped by in this city, and as you can see behind me, this is quite a large city, 2 million inhabitants, and an important transportation point, an important harbor. And it was that already at that time, 2000 years ago. So we don't know if he stayed very long in Antalya, probably not. He probably was just on his way during his first missionary journey. And we know that he was persecuted. We know that he struggled with challenges during his way. He was even stoned in one of the city, but he continued preaching the gospel across the region. And it is an important thing, because you might be in a place right now which is a temporary place in your travels, in your journeys. Maybe you just live in a place for a few years, for a few months. Maybe you just visit a place, you visit a church for a few days. And there is something you can leave behind in those places. And nowadays, if you go to the center of Antalya, you can see that there is an Orthodox church still active. There is an international church still active with service at 10:30 in the morning on Sunday. There is a St. Paul Cultural Center. So although he probably just stayed a few days here, he left a mark, he left something behind. That's something important for you also today. And we know how this territory here has been a difficult place to preach the gospel. It has been a place that changed a lot of controls, lots of changes of powers. So it's been hard to establish the gospel here for various reasons. But here you see in Antalya there is still this presence. So my question and my challenge to you today is, what is your Antalya? What is your place? What is your harbor? What is your place of transit when you can leave a trace, when you can preach the gospel, when you can leave a mark? And that's what Paul did exactly, and we can still see it today, 2000 years ago. So I would like to encourage you to be a witness of the gospel wherever you are in the world.